I always have this dream that when I will become a fluent speaker, I always have this dream in my eyes that when I'm going to become a fluent speaker, whenever I see someone and whenever I admire someone, so I always have this big thought that when that time will come that I am going to speak in front of everyone, right? So this is, and success don't have any fixed timetable, right? You have to remember this, that success will come suddenly. Means if you are practicing every day you are putting lots of effort, one day that day will come that you will see a tremendous change in your life, right? How you will feel elated that how it was happened. When you will become fluent in this language, you will think, when you will go and when you will see the flashback that what did I do, so you will see that how many struggle I faced, but that struggle will be flatter, it will go, because the success will overpower it, right? So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all have been doing good and learning this language in a fun way. So one of my subscriber requested me, so tell your journey, that how did you improve your communication skill, what did I follow, what was the reason behind that I become a fluent speaker, and along with that I'm giving message to all of you, right? So this was not one day process, as you all know that if someone is speaking in front of you, so this is not one day process. It took me lots of time, right? It was not like a one day and I become a fluent speaker. No, it the great reason is that no one was helping me. Even my parents don't want that I should learn this language. Not even my brother, not my mother. No one wanted that I become a fluent speaker. But I was determined that no, in this era, it is compulsory to know English language. And if I will learn this language, people will somewhere they will consider me that she is intelligent, right? And if I don't know English, people will consider somewhere that she is not intelligent, right? Because nowadays people judge by your skill, not by your success, right? So I always has this big dream that when I will become a fluent speaker, every day how I put extra effort, how I push myself forward, that no, whatever the ups and downs are there in my life, I am going to learn this language, right? So the first thing that what I did is that I pick up any story. Every day I pick up one story, and whatever the 10-minute story, I will narrate in 5 minutes. Right? The story can be of more than 10 minutes or 15 minutes, but I will narrate in a short within 5 to 6 minutes, so that it is challenging for me. Right? Every day, how you have to give yourself a challenge that see, we can tell, we can speak like we are speaking right now. But when someone give us scenario that you have to speak only on that, then it become a challenging for us. So we have to remind ourselves, we have to make a realistic plan that every day from morning 7 to 8 a.m. I'm going to tell story or watch it. First you have to do listening, means whatever the story you have listened, and the second thing is that you have to narrate that story, right? So this is how I first process was that I pick up one story and I narrate them. Okay, so for me it was very challenging task that every day I have to wake up and after brushing my teeth I have to narrate all the story. But it is very beneficial also, because in the morning time our brain is very fresh. We don't have any other excuses to give us. Everyone has some free time, so instead of giving excuses that okay, I have some work and that work, in morning time you might be free, and probably everyone is free at that time, right? So you all can utilize your time by telling a story, so it will help you a lot, right? On top of that, it will help you in the long term also, because you every day are giving challenges to your life, right? You are pushing yourself forward, that you are going an extra mile. Every day you are going an extra mile, right? So this is how you are learning. Now the second thing is that grammar is very very important. Many of video you will watch in the YouTube, they say that you should not consider grammar as a grammar. But what I would say here, that don't take grammar as a burden, right? Take grammar as a your friend, right? Every day you have to pick one or two things, like such like I was very confused with could and should and would. So one day what you can do, you can pick any of this would, should, could, and you have to make 10 to 20 sentences, right? So if from morning to evening, if you will make sentences, and if you are working somewhere, right? Because we all are busy. So if you're working somewhere and if you had made sentences, so your mind will give you more sentences like that you have to make. I can use could here also. I can use would here also. So this is how you can use those things. Right. So grammar is very important. So how you can do that? Pick up any one rule, and what you have to do, you have to make sentence like has and have and had. So pick one day you can pick has and make lots of sentences about that. So in this scenario you can use that. Suppose that if you have made sentences related with has, so whenever that situation will come, India has, government has. So whenever you will read the something, so you will get to know that where I can use has and have. You will not get confused. I was very confused with was and where, right? So what I did, I tried to make lots of sentences related to that. This is the basic thing. If you want to improve your communication skill, so this is the first step that you have to follow it. And if you want to improve your communication skill, so you have to go through this line also. Means you have to consider grammar also important. Then you are going to become a fluent speaker, right? This is not one day process. You have to give time to yourself, right? So this is how what I did, that I every day pick up one uh, grammar rule, and I make a realistic plan that okay, this is the scenario and I can use it here. So it will take time. It is not a piece of cake that you can do out of blue. You will not get idea, right? You have to keep patience for that. After some time you will see that from one word you are able to make n number of sentences, right? And you can use it in your life also, right? So if you're not able to, if you're very shy, if you are someone who is feeling very shy and have fear and have phobia in front of people, that how I can speak in front of people, so let me tell you one thing, that you can speak to yourself like how I do. I have never taken any coaching, or I have never went to any institute. Yeah. So this is how I'm learning by my own. Okay. And you can also learn by your own, but you have to make yourself, you have to make a time table that okay, this is the time where I have to work on that. Right. Suppose I am working very hard to learn this language. But what if I don't speak in front of people? So this is how, if you want to learn this language, so you have to keep a time aside for yourself, that okay, this time is that I am going to learn this language, right? So this is that two thing I want to share with you all in this video. I don't want to uh, increase I don't want that this video become 15 minutes. So I will, if you have, so I hope that you have understand this two thing that I wanted to share with you all, and this two strategy helped me a lot. Simultaneously I'm improving my communication skill and my grammar part also, right? So you can also do, and probably it will work for you also, right? And if you're wasting your time unnecessary here and there, instead of that you can use your time in that making sentence. And you have to not make very long sentences, you try to make short sentences, and it will really work for you all, right? So I hope that you understood all those things, whatever I have told you, that how you have to do. And in the last, I would tell you one thing more, that I have used so many good word and simple word I have used. Okay. So if you are very dedicated person, if you are someone who want to improve your communication skill, what you can do after watching this video, whatever word I will not tell you that what word I have used. I have used 2 to 3 idioms also. So it's now your duty to make 2 to 3 sentences related with that, right? It will help you a lot. If you will make sentences related with that and you will write down in the comment box, then I will go through myself and I will check that where you are lacking. If you are someone who is lacking somewhere, so I will correct you there, then and there. Okay, I will correct you then and there, and you will get to know that okay, here I am doing some mistake, right? So this is the good way to improve yourself. I have used 2 to 3 good words and idiom as well. Now it's your time to write some sentences related with that. It is your homework. Consider it as a homework. So it will help you a lot. If you do it, if you will watch video and you will not learn from there, so it is not going to work for you. If you are really dedicated person, if you want to learn and improve this language, so what you have to do, you have to just make some sentences related with that, and it will help you a lot. Okay, so if you are a very keen person and you want to do this, so please write in the comment box. I myself go through all the comment and I will try to answer all of them. Okay, so you might, if you might like this videos, please like it and subscribe it and share with your friends and family who wanted to improve their language, so they can get a proper strategy how they can improve their communication skill. Because many of us go here and there and we don't know that how to improve communication. I am sharing with you all a simple and what I am following, so that you can also follow that. It might work for you all also. So this is all for today. I will catch you in the next video. Till then, if you have any doubt, please also write in the comment section. It is always open for you all. You can throw your question there. Okay. So till then, bye bye. Take care and happy learning. Bye.